Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to export Gemini chat history. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open up New tab and type takeout.google.com in URL bar to open Google Takeout in your browser and sign in with the same Google account you use for Google Gemini. Once you're inside Google Takeout, click Deselect All so only your Gemini data will be included in the export. Then scroll down and find Gemini, Gemini Apps Activity, or Gemini Activities, depending on your account and region. Check the box next to it to include your Gemini chat history. After that, scroll to the bottom and click Next Step. Then, choose how you want to export your file. You can get a download link by email or save the archive directly to Google Drive. Then, choose your preferred file type, such as zip, and select the size of your file that you want to export. Now click Create Export. Google will begin preparing your archive in the background. Depending on the amount of chat history, this may take a few minutes or several hours. Once the export is ready, you'll receive a notification with a download link. Open the link and save the file to your device. And that's it. So that's basically how you can export Gemini chat history. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.